Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to generate an audio waveform and have that waveform react to music inside of Adobe After Effects. So once you've launched up Adobe After Effects, you need to create a brand new composition and drag your music into the composition. Now you need to create a brand new solid, so we'll go into Layer, New Solid, and we'll make sure the width of this is 1920, the height is 1080, and we'll just change the color of this to black. Now in the Effects and Presets tab on the right of After Effects, you want to go ahead and search for Wave, and then Audio Waveform should appear, and you want to drag Audio Waveform on top of that black video. Now as you can see, that has generated this pink line, and in the audio layer we want to change the black solid 2 to 2.music. We're basically changing the audio layer from the black solid to the music that we imported, so you want to go ahead and change that, and now this should start to react to your music. Basically put, that is the effect now complete, but we can go ahead and we can customize this to make this look even more awesome. So if we go up to start point, we can change the position of the start point, and then we can also change the position of the end point. So we'll just drag this to the very left and the very right of the frame. Now pulling up on the maximum height, we can increase the height of this waveform. The thickness adjusts the thickness of the waveform, but personally I like this to be a bit thinner. I don't like a thick waveform, I like a thin waveform, so I'll pull this down to a smaller number, and then we'll pull up or down the softness depending on how soft you want the waveform to appear. And now if we go down to inside and outside color, we can adjust the color of the waveform by selecting any color that we like. And now the really cool thing about this waveform is we can change what part of the mix you want the waveform to react to. So the waveform can react to both channels at the same time, which is mono. It can react to just the left channel, or it can react to just the right channel. This means you could have two different waveforms, and one could react to the left, one could react to the right, and this could be a really cool effect. And now if we go down to display options, we can change which waveform we want to generate. So it's currently set to analog lines, but we can change this to analog dots. And then if we change this to digital, you've got this completely different waveform, which looks really awesome. So now all you need to do is go through all of these different settings and make all of your adjustments to make this waveform look unique for your project. And I'm going to take this one step further by applying a slight amount of glow. So we'll go into the tab on the right, that's the Effects and Presets tab. We'll search for glow. We'll drag glow on top of the waveform, and then inside of glow radius, we'll pull up the glow radius, and then we'll pull down the glow threshold. And there you go. That is how you generate an audio waveform inside of Adobe After Effects and have that waveform react to your music.
If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon up there. And also, don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle icon just down here.